Hello, this is Jacob at eMotimo, and I'm going to show you how to add your fourth axis control on the Skaarhoj Unisketch. First, you're going to want to plug in the USB to your Skaarhoj panel and open the Skaarhoj Updater tool. You're going to open your online configuration. I'm going to scroll down and find the eMotimo ST4 multicam configuration. Optionally, I can scroll down to the bottom of this and I can set the network configuration for my panel as well as the first camera position. Or I can wait and do this once I've updated the firmware as you would normally do on the Skaarhoj panel. I'm going to open the advanced configuration. I'm going to check that I've opened all configuration, and then I'm going to add my control to buttons 4 and 5. So I'm going to select button 4 to jump down to the configuration. I only need 3 cameras at the moment, so I'm going to delete my camera 4 and replace that with the M4 command to move that axis. I'm going to select M3, M4. I'm going to change camera 1 to memory AA, as that is the active camera. Then I'm going to set this to be my M4 negative and use speed limit 0. Then I'm going to copy and insert this on button 5 and switch it to M4 positive. While I'm here, I'm also going to update the limits pages so that you have button control for all four axes when you're going through and setting up your limits. Page 1 is going to be pan. I'm going to add a second page, set that for tilt, add the third page, set it to be M3, and then add the fourth page and set that one for M4. Same thing, I'm going to set memory AA for all of them to use the active camera. And then I'm going to set the first direction for all these. Pan left, tilt up, M3 negative, and M4 negative. Same thing, I'm going to use speed limit 0 so it's the max speed. I'm going to copy this block and insert it on button 5, and then switch the direction for all 4 axes. Pan right, tilt down, M3 positive, and M4 positive. Now I can save this configuration once I double check and make sure everything's what I want it to be. Then I can reopen the Skaarhoj Updater tool and select Update Configuration Firmware to flash the new firmware to my panel. This will take about a minute or two, and then the panel will reboot and you now have control for your M4 axes in place of your camera 4 and 5 position, or if you go to your limits pages, you'll also have button control there for all 4 of your axes.